Brian and Tiffany here, having fun in nature indoors. Our child got us the greatest gift, a 16 puzzle box set of the national parks, 100 pieces each. Let's see, we have Acadia, Death Valley, Bryce Canyon, Yosemite, Grand Canyon, Denali, Rocky Mountain, Zion, Sequoia, the Joshua Tree. So many of these we haven't seen. We have Glacier, Yellowstone, hope to reach that this spring, Shenandoah, Everglades Arches. Oh, we have a video on that one, several. You guys check it out. And the Grand Tetons. There's some pictures I might post of that one soon. Inside of our box shows the national parks. What a great gift. We can enjoy nature indoors. The U.S. National Park Service system began with Yellowstone National Park in 1872, the world's first national park. On August 25th, 1916, President Woodrow Wilson signed the National Park Service Organic Act, creating National Park Service to manage these parks and monuments. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. The National Park's mission is to conserve the scenery, natural and historic objects, and wildlife within these areas, and to provide for their enjoyment in a manner that leaves them unimpaired for future generations. Today, the National Park Service oversees 400 sites across the country. Yes, you have your national parks, your national recreation areas, your national monuments. We kind of learned that on the road. I think a lovely map and a great gift. Mom and Dad can enjoy nature without freezing their butts off. I think we're going to do our first puzzle as Glacier. Who guessed that one? More later. Well, it's been years since we've put together puzzles, but even in a small space living, you can still have fun with nature indoors. You're looking at a puzzle of Glacier National Park. Thank you so much, Karai, for the gifts. It was so nice to get our heads out of the screen and enjoy some nature indoors, just having fun together. Thank you so much, Karai. We have 15 more to go. Thank you all for watching our videos. Be sure to subscribe and like. We love you all, and Happy New Year!